Hey guys, Skyler here with Peterson Toyota Accessories. I am here with a 2018 SR5 4Runner, our latest accessory build. On this guy, we have done a 3-inch REVTEK leveling kit. Gives you 3 in the front with the spacer and 2 in the rear with an upgraded shock. A great stance for the 4Runners, gives it that nice off-road aggressive look. With that, we're able to fit a 285/65/18 NITTO Ridge Grappler tire, 10-ply tire, so it's a great happy medium between an all-terrain and mud terrain. Awesome capabilities for street and off-roading. We did an all-black XD wheel. We gave the silver and black contrast with this build. I feel like it turned out awesome. Onto the back, we did a window tint, just the front two to match the factory rear smoked glass, and a visor strip to block the sun in those areas where your visor cannot. With the running boards, we did a factory trail running board with the 4Runners. It's one of my favorites because it's nice and snug up to the cab. It doesn't hang down very low, so it doesn't take away from your clearance. And then it is a full running board, so you can step on it anywhere you please if you have a rack up top or just getting in. Finally, we did blackout badging, so on the front, the SR5 badging, and then the rear portion with the Toyota badge and the 4Runner. If you guys have any accessory questions for any vehicle, feel free to stop on by the accessory center or give us a call.